Alright, so as usual, after dropping off all the orders of eBay and Go and StockX, drop it off on UPS, USPS, and FedEx, I had to drop by as well. Quick drop by on the mall, and we pick up two pairs on finish line. So let's take this out. Starting off, we got the Air Jordan 1 mid-grade school. Retail on this one is $90, 6.5Y. Let's pop that open, and we got the Tropical Twist, or Tropical Twist Jordan 1 mid. It's a lookalike of the Iglo Retro Jordan 1, and those are pretty much high resale value. That's why I'm picking this up every time I see them. Nike.com just released a couple days ago, if I'm not mistaken. The grade school already sold out that quick, but the men's sizes are still available, and still picking up this kind of shoe, Jordan 1 mid grade school, when I saw them on the Champs, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Kids Foot Locker, just for building up the points. That's why I keep picking them up. So that's on that one. Next one, we got the Air Jordan 1 mid. Retail is $115. We got the Arctic orange black. Pop that open. Boom. So it looks like a colorway of the Jordan 1 high retro platinum tint. That's why also picking them up when I found them every time I see them flex stores. Same, building up the points. So this one is still available on Nike.com. I think 11.5 and 12.5 are gone. Some sizes still up. It's still in good. I think 9, mostly 10 and 11. They're still available, including also in grade school. But hey, why I'm not picking up on Nike.com? Yes, even though I got this on finish line, right? The good thing is I still got the points from finish line when I bought this one. Same goes with this one. I'm still getting those points and redeem it when the time I need to redeem the points when I want to get a pair of shoe that is really high resale value. So like Jordan 1s, maybe this coming August, the black and or yellow, that should be good to invest on the points. Same goes with the flex points. Keep on buying them to build the flex account. Now, why I'm diversing my investment on this particular ones, because when I investing most of my money on my business, business into Nike.com, I'm not getting that much of a benefit, should I say. So when I bought them, they're gone. I mean, when I bought them, it's just, that's it. I'm not getting any like a benefit, like the points, like same goes like what's happening on finish line, like what happened on Flex app. So that's why I'm trying to diversify, move some of the business money into something else rather than focusing on Nike.com. Maybe more on sneakers up if it's a high resale value, but hey, not too much going on Nike.com. If it's there are on sale, huge money resale, return, and huge discount, then so be it. But still diversifying, moving some money, business money into something else, to like finish line or in the Flex app. So that's what I'm doing, why I'm still buying on finish line, including the Flex apps. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you I hope you learned something new. If you learned something new, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one.